The roads you know, forget them. Because today, we're exploring a machine built for the places where roads simply don't exist. Welcome back to the channel, and get ready, because the 2026 Mercedes Unimog 6x6 Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a legend reborn. If you've ever dreamed of a home that could take you across deserts, mountains, rivers, and frozen landscapes, this is the rig that makes those dreams real. Let's dive straight into the beast. From the outside, the 2026 Unimog 6x6 looks like it was carved out of the earth itself. Massive ground clearance, reinforced steel bumpers, adaptive flood lights, snorkel intake, and that iconic Unimog stance, high, wide, and ready for war. Mercedes pushed the design even further this year with a full military-inspired chassis, armored side panels, and the unmistakable 3-axle setup that gives the motorhome unstoppable stability. The body is finished in matte expedition colors, tundra gray, desert sand, and obsidian black. And in the back, a high-lift living module sits on a reinforced flex frame, meaning no matter how rough the terrain is, your home stays level and stable. This is not a camper, it's a rolling fortress. Step inside, and the story changes, suddenly you're in a luxury apartment instead of a battlefield machine. The interior of the 2026 Unimog motorhome is pure Mercedes magic. Hand-stitched leather seats, soft ambient lighting, automatic climate control, and a panoramic smart glass ceiling that turns from clear to shaded with a tap. There's a full kitchen with induction cooking, a deep stainless sink, a convection micro-oven, and a compact dual-power fridge. The lounge converts into a double bed, and the rear master sleeping area has memory foam bedding and hidden storage. Even the bathroom is impressive, rainfall shower, smart toilet, and heated floors, in a truck designed for the Arctic. This thing blends survival with comfort in a way only Mercedes can pull off. Under the hood is where the Unimog earns its reputation. The 2026 model features a 7.7-liter turbo diesel hybrid system producing a monstrous 510 horsepower and unbelievable torque. Paired with Mercedes' advanced 6x6 drive system, triple differential locks, and a new ultra-low crawler mode, this rig can climb 60-degree slopes, wade through rivers, and tear across soft sand without hesitation. The hybrid system adds silent electric crawling for stealth camping and saves fuel on long expeditions. The suspension is a masterpiece, portal axles, adaptive shocks, and hydraulic leveling that prepare the motorhome for anything the wilderness throws at it. Now let's talk price. A machine like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Mercedes Unimog 6x6 motorhome starts around $750,000 and can climb well over $1 million depending on custom expedition features, off-grid systems, and interior upgrades. But you're paying for a vehicle that replaces your house, your SUV, your off-roader, and your dream of adventure all at once. Safety is where Mercedes always shines. The Unimog gets a full suite of intelligent systems, collision braking, hillside assist, blind zone radar, 360-degree drone-linked cameras, thermal imaging for wildlife spotting, and a reinforced rollover safety structure. Even the living cabin is built with fire-resistant walls, emergency oxygen, and weatherproof seals to protect you from extreme conditions. So here's the truth. The 2026 Mercedes Unimog 6x6 motorhome isn't built for everyone, it's built for explorers. For people who want to go where Wi-Fi is a rumor and the horizon is the only limit. If you want a vehicle that combines unstoppable power with pure luxury and takes you into the wild without ever feeling lost, this might be the greatest motorhome of its generation. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because even bigger machines are coming next.